Hi, I'm Sherry with Hair by Sherry, and in today's video I'm going to share with you tips on how to take your hair from wet to a beautiful styled finish. This is the first of a series of 2. In this video I'm going to share with you the products to use, how to use them, and how to layer them. So stay tuned! The first step in successfully styling your hair is to towel dry it. Once you remove the towel, get your blow dryer out, run it through there. You want to remove enough moisture that the hair is not dripping wet. Once you've finished this is the time to use a good leave-in conditioner. I'm using a spray-in one, but you can also use a cream one as well. It's really important to make sure you take a comb your product through so that you're distributing it evenly from scalp to ends. Then go ahead and take that blow dryer back through and remove a little bit more moisture. You're prepping the hair for the next step. The next step is we're going to be using a product to help lay the hair shaft down and to make it shiny, and also to protect it from the heating element that you're about to use when you style. Your hands are the tool you use, so I'm using an oil in this particular segment. So I apply it to my hands first, press it into the mid shaft of the hair down through the ends. Note, I'm not rubbing it into my scalp. Then taking a comb, combing it through. This really helps to ensure that that hair shaft lays down so you get optimal shine and even distribution. And again, taking that blow dryer through and removing the moisture again. This is preparing it for the next step when you're going to use your styling aid. I'm using a spray-in product here, but you can use a mousse or a gel. By drying the hair to where it's just damp, you're going to be able to get optimum use out of that product. By not having any water in the hair to dilute the product, it's going to be able to adhere to the hair shaft and give you awesome texture to create that beautiful style.